pero after mo isulat, walang bumibili or walang bumili.
Emotional damage!
Hi guys! Coach Bell here. Kung nakaisip ka na ng topic para sa ebook mo pero unsure ka kung may bibili or interesado pa talagang tao, don't worry, hindi ka naman nag-iisa sa ganyang dilemma. But today, tuturuan ko kayo ng strategy na tinatawag na Parallel Protocol Network or PPN. Let's go! Ano nga ba yung PPN? So, PPN stands for Parallel Protocol Network. Fancy name siya, pero simple lang ang goal. Gamitin ang iba't ibang free platforms para i-check kung may real demand ang ebook topic mo. Okay? So, dito hindi ka huhula-hula. Strategy to based on real signal, right? So, bakit kailangan mo to? Alam mo ba yung feeling na ang ganda ng topic mo, pero after mo isulat, walang bumibili or walang bumili? Ouch! Diba? That's what PPN prevents. So, instead of guessing, we validate. So, you don't waste time, you don't waste effort, or even your energy. Sa PPN, meron tayong tinatawag na stages, 3 stages, para ma-check mo yung PPN. Okay? And ito yung search demand, content saturation, and audience conversions. Now, each stage, may tools tayo na gagamitin. Kaya, ready ka na? Okay. So, stage 1 is search demand. Una sa lahat, titignan natin kung hinahanap ba talaga ng tao yung topic mo. So, this time, gagamit tayo ng Google Trends, TikTok search, and YouTube auto-suggest. Okay? So, simple lang. Type mo lang yung keyword dun sa search bar nila and then check kung may consistent search interest. Now, mas maganda kung may rising trends. So, for example, kung topic mo ay budget skincare for students, hanapin natin yung trending, kung trending ito sa TikTok or kung may mataas na views sa YouTube. Alright? And stage 2 is content saturation. Here, alamin natin kung marami bang existing content about this, or about your topic. And this time, gamitin natin ang Amazon Kindle, Google Search, Pinterest or Instagram. Ang goal natin dito ay hanapin kung may mga ebooks na similar, may demand, kasi kung may demand, may competition, kung may competition, may market. Okay, for example, sa Amazon, pag may ebook na similar at may reviews, yes, may audience ka. Okay? Now, stage 3 is audience conversions. Ito yung huling check. Sabi nga, real people talking about your topic. This time, gamitin natin ang Facebook groups, Reddit, or Quora. Ang goal natin ay makinig sa usapan ng tao, ano yung concerns nila, and may hinahanap ba silang solusyon. So, for example, search mo sa FB groups, student skincare or budget routine. Pag may nagtanong, ibig sabihin may need sila. Or kung may discussion doon sa group na nasilip mo or napuntahan mo, na related dun sa topic mo, ibig sabihin may need sila. Alright? So, kapag sa lahat ng 3 stages may positive signs, ibig sabihin, go na yan, Besh. Okay? The PPN gives you confidence to move forward. Okay? So, next time, pag may naisip kang topic, huwag munang sulat agad ha. Idaan mo muna sa Parallel Protocol Network. And then, kung gusto mo ng hands-on walkthrough, check our next video. It's all about Keyword Search 101. Kaya panoorin mo yun, okay? So, happy writing, guys! And remember, validate before you create. Okay? Let's go!